This is the Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and in today's video we would like to show how you can download and install the Fortnite game on it. So, as it is widely known, unfortunately it is not possible to get the Fortnite directly from the Google Play Store. So the first step that you need to take in order for you to still be able to obtain the game is to launch any search engine that you'd like. Next, type in Fortnite APK just like so. Among the search results, go for the official epicgames.com website. Once the web page gets loaded, click on the download the app from Epic Games hyperlink. Wait until the file download process starts. Then open it. Prior to using this installation file, it is required that we allow any browsing tool that we've used to install unknown apps, which you can do by switching this toggle on. Then just confirm the installation. Next, launch the Epic Games. Tap on this black Get button, located in front of a Fortnite. And, next you gotta click on this yellow install button, which will start the download process. Alrighty, as you can see by reading the text inside this dialog window, we gotta allow Epic Games Launcher to install unknown apps, as well as we did for the Google Chrome. So just do the same thing once again. Confirm the Fortnite game installation. As you can see, it has been successfully installed now. And after that, we can just go ahead and launch it. And basically all that separates us from being able to play the game itself is this process of downloading all the updates, resources and files that it needs. And after this process will be finished, you'll be able to start directly playing the game. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.